Good morning, sir.
Morning. Okay. Have we started selection structure yesterday? So now let's start. Let's read about if then else else if statement. Here, when we have this is a third type of selection structure. When we have more than two options, where two conditions, then it is better we use if then else if. So that our syntax goes if condition 1, then if this condition 1 is true, we will execute the QBasic will execute statement block 1. Else if condition 2 will be checked, and if condition 2 is correct or true, then statement block 2 will be executed. If both 1 and 2 are false and the third condition is true, then third block will be executed. If none of the conditions are true, then last else statement will be executed. This else is optional, so it is kept in this big bracket. Whenever you don't give else statement, if all the conditions are false, your program will simply end. You have to close this end if by using end if, and end the program by using end. Here is a sample program. This program displays division according to the percentage. So we clear the screen by using CLS. Then input. We ask the user to input the percentage of the student and store it in P. If P is greater than or equal to 60, if the value of P is greater than or equal to 60, 60, 61, 62, then it is considered to be the first division. So we print first division. Else if P is greater than equal to 50 and P is smaller than 59.9, means if the value is of the P is in between 50 and 59.9, then that will be the second division. If the value of P is greater than or equal to 40, between 40 and 49.5, then it will be considered as the third division. Similarly, if none of these conditions are fulfilled, all these conditions are false. Suppose the max is not greater than 60 or not equal to 60. If the max is not in between 50 and 59.9, and also the max is not in between 40 and 39.9, then this program will direct or go to else statement, where it will display print fail. Okay, and first of all we need to end if, and then we need to end the whole program. So copy this. You're copying this, right? This syntax is very important.
Sir, and where is its purpose?
Its purpose I'll give you. The purpose of is to check more than two condition in a program and execute the block of statement whose condition is true. Else acts as the default in this statement. You're copying this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, done.
You have copied the purpose also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's do one program. I'll write the question, you try it. Write a program to display if the student is in primary. Okay, let's start with Montessori primary, lower secondary, or higher higher secondary level.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
can I put it in chat box?
What can you do? Can I?
Sir, can I share it in chat box?
You want to show the code?
No, sir, no, sir.
Wait for a while. I'm typing here. Okay. Then after this, I'll see what to do. Write a program to display if the student is in Montessori primary where class below 1 is Montessori, up to 5 is primary, up to 8 is lower secondary, 9 and 10 are secondary, and plus 2 is higher secondary. Yes, who was that? Who want to share the?
Sir, can you show the program down one?
Okay, I'll show you. Wait, let me post the question. It's in the Midas. You can see from the Midas also. I have posted these in the Midas. Okay, this is the program.
Sir, below त्यहाँ छ नि. Class
Below
below.
below को sign के गर्ने भने त्यसलाई, or you can do less than 1. Class less than 1. Can you do this program?
सर त्यो प्राइमरी के अरे मोन्टेसरी लेस देन गर्दा एज जस्तै मैले क्लास फ्रम 1 to 12 लाई एस सपोज गरे भने एस लेस देन 1 गर्ने हो.
Oh yes, less than 1.
सर त्यो पछि प्रिन्टमा के लेख्ने?
Print it is Montessori label. What you do is, yeah, input enter the class छ हैन. If class is less than 0 or less than 1, less than 0 पनि हैन, less than 1, then print what will you print?
मोन्टेसरी.
Montessori.
Montessori.
Very good. Else if yes,
सर त्यो else if is greater than 1 and लेख्ने कि or लेख्ने?
and लेख्ने and greater than 1 अनि less than 6 हुनु पर्यो नि त. त्यो भनेको के हो भने 1 र less than or equal to पनि लेख ल.
ओके सर.
यो यसको मिनिङ के हो भने तिम्रो नम्बर चाहिँ 1 देखि 5 सम्मको बीचमा पर्छ भन्न खोज. ओके, अनि एल्स मा के लेख्ने? एल्स इट इज नट द स्कुल लेभल लेख्ने. यु क्यान डु दिस राइट?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
After
sir.
you complete, you do your attendance. You send your name, roll number in the chat.
सर else पछि चाहिँ के लेख्ने?
Else print it is not school label.
सर यो सारणी हो यो सारणी हो
हो
सर हेलो
हो
ए
सर च्याट बक्समा नाम र रोल नम्बर लेखेर पठाउने हो
हो यो सिलेक्सन स्ट्रक्चरको सबै एकैचोटि माग्छु ल मैले हजुरहरू नोट गर्दै गर्नुहोस्